Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of Irresistible Me's ponytail hair extensions and show you how it works and how to put it in and how to style it, and yeah. And so a few things about it is that it's 100% human hair, so it doesn't feel plasticky or fake. It looks real. You can cut it, style it, heat up to like 320 degrees, and you can dye it any color. Don't recommend bleaching it because they're already processed, but you can dye it. I would recommend getting like a lighter shade of blonde so it would show up if you're planning on dyeing it a color. But they have a lot of colors to choose from. But if they happen to have not the color that you want, like say you want to do blue or purple or whatever, you can just dye it and like it's good. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how I do that and unbox. Also, they do have other things, like they have wigs, synthetic, real human hair wigs. They have extensions. They have all different lengths. They have curly and straight. They have accessories too. So if you want to check out their website, that's linked below. So they have a little thing here that says "Try Me," where just like see if it's the right color, if it matches. My hair is a bunch of different colors right now, so it kind of matches with anything right now. And this is the color I'm gonna be using, which is medium blonde. But you can color match, and if it doesn't, if it's not the right shade, then you can just send it back before opening the package. So then if you are satisfied with that, you just open up the top and there's a little pouch. And it's in a hairnet to keep it safe. So I got the 24-inch ponytail, and the back looks like this. It has these ribbons to secure it and tie it around, and then it has this clip you just stick into either your ponytail, like with your actual hair, or you can do a bun, whichever one. And I'm just gonna show you how I do that. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do a higher ponytail, but you can do a low one. Oh, you can do a low one. I'm not gonna do it super high, but high enough. Okay, so this is my hair and it's really short. So since I have these things, I am going to use some, I don't actually exactly know what it is, but it's basically like gel type pomade thing for styling hair. So I'm just going to slick this back. Okay, so now that I have my hair slicked back, I'm just going to use the clip and I'm sticking the clip right at the top of my hair tie and then wrapping this ribbon around. And you can either wrap it around like however many times as like until you feel like it's secure, and you can either tie it in a bow at the top so you have like a cute little bow, or like I did, I just tied it into the bottom. And this is what it's looking like. It's very long. So next I'm going to, you can either straighten it, curl it, do whatever you want. I'm gonna curl. Okay, so I'm just gonna curl my hair all together. I just kind of did like light curls in it, but this is what it's looking like. Here is a 360 of my hair. So yeah, and that is my tutorial unboxing of Irresistible Me hair's ponytail extensions. It's really easy to put in. The fun thing is like you can do whatever you want with your extensions. Again, the website is down below if you want to check out Irresistible Me, and like and subscribe, and see ya.